Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to update your Google Chrome browser automatically on Windows PC or laptop. So you don't have to do it manually every time. Let's get started. So first let's see how most people update Google Chrome manually. So they will open Google Chrome browser, click on three dots, scroll down, open the help and go to about Google Chrome. Here Chrome automatically check for updates. If there is new version available, it will download and install it right away. Okay, but doing this every time can be annoying, right? So let's make Google Chrome update automatically without opening this page. So let's get started one by one. To enable automatic update of Google Chrome browser, use a background process called Google Update Services. We just need to make sure it's running properly. To check this and to enable the Google Chrome browser update service to run automatically, so close all pages settings on your PC, hold Windows key button and then press R from your keyboard, and here you need to type in the run box services.msc and then hit enter from your keyboard. Okay, it will open the services menu on your PC. In the services window, scroll down and look for the two services. First service is Google Update Service G Update. So just right click on it and go to properties. Extend the startup tab. Now you need to select automatically, click on start and then click on apply and then click on OK. And other service is Google Update Service G Update M. Okay, so if the service is showing on the services menu, right click on it, go to properties. Same, you need to select startup type automatically, click on start, click on apply and then click on OK. Once both services are set to automatically, Chrome will now update itself silently in the background whenever a new version is released. Okay, so that's it. You learn both how to manually update Google Chrome browser and how to make it update automatically. Now your browser will always stay secure, fast and up to date, okay, without doing anything. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more Windows and tech tutorials. See you in the next one.